Welcome to Brain Vision.
We're going to apply the sum of forces in the y direction equaling the mass times the acceleration in the y direction. And we know that the buoyant force would be equal to the density of water multiplied by the volume of the object multiplied by g, the acceleration due to gravity. We know that the weight here is equaling mg. This would be equal to 17.50 newtons. Therefore, this would be 17.50 newtons with the mass given 1.79 kilograms. And so we then the tension plus the buoyant force minus the weight should be equal to 0. Therefore, the buoyancy force must be equal to the mass times the acceleration due to gravity minus the tension force. This is going to be equal to 17.50 newtons minus 11.20 newtons. This is giving us 6.30 newtons. We can then say that the volume of the object would be equal to the buoyant force divided by the density of the water multiplied by g. And so this would be equal to 6.30 newtons divided by 1,000 kilograms per cubic meter multiplied by 9.8 meters per second squared. And this is equaling 6.43 times 10 to the negative fourth cubic meters. And so to find the density is simply the mass divided by the volume. This is going to be equal to 1.79 kilograms divided by, again, 6.43 times 10 to the negative fourth meters cubed. This is giving us a density of 2.78 times 10 to the third kilograms per cubic meter. This would be our answer. That is the end of the solution. Thank you for watching.